welcome to my very first hiking vlog. I am super excited to take you along with me today as I head into the mountain for an unforgettable adventure. This is my first time sharing something like this, so thank you for being here. So today's trail we were going to Mushroom Rock, but before that one, let's have an outfit check. A combination of Skechers and Adidas, and now I am ready, let's go. Hoy, hindi pa pala ako nagpapakilala. This is Mikay and Neo in Saudi Arabia. So, today's hike is extra special because it is happening really close to our company accommodation. So, no long travel, just a fresh air na may halong kaping mainit. Nagmusbid na jud ko dahil tabang gamay bi. Kidding aside, a quick reminder, if you are planning a desert hike like this, don't forget your essential. Like at least 2 liters of water, some energy boost snack, sunscreen, hat, and of course your camera to capture every moment of the mountain. And one thing I want to share with you guys is that one of my friends actually found this place and invited me to join. I wasn't sure at first, but I'm really glad I said yes. We get a big group, about 40 to 50 people. And later, makikita nyo sila lahat kung gano'n sila kapogi at ka-beautiful. Ninggawas jud ang accent na tinuod. And now, if you can see, so very peaceful yung paligid natin. Malapit na ako sa security. And here we go. Sila po yung mga kasama ko. They are from other companies like Bechtel, Berkeley, lahat na po na nagtatrabaho sa NEOM. Different companies, but we are gathered here just in one event, and that is a hiking going to the Mushroom Rock. And this is our coordinator, which is Mr. Rusty. He is a very good man at the same time very accommodating. Short clip lang kung paano ko nakilala si Mr. Rusty. He is a guest that very approachable. So, hindi ka mahihiyang makipag-usap sa kanya kasi every time na mag-visit siya sa dining, he is very so smiling and ewan ko ba basta hanggang ng loob ko sa kanya. So, here we go. We are starting to walk. So, medyo patag pa yan. Hindi pa ganun na nakakapagod. Actually, patag naman yung way na pupuntahan namin. Pag malapit na lang doon sa destination namin, doon lang may mga risk na sobrang hirap kasi pataas na siya. And yes, nasa gitna na po kami ng bundok. So, ako yung pinakahuling hikers dito. Kasi sobrang lagi akong kanto-kanto nagpipicture. At ito na, hindi na ako makaakyat. Pagod na ako at this moment kasi pataas na siya. Gapang na ako dyan, te. At ito, dito na, medyo malapit-lapit na tayo sa katotohanan. Kung nakikita yung umuusbong na parang maliit na bato. Yan, malapit na tayo. So, kaya konting-konti na lang, ma-achieve na natin yung pinagpagura natin pag-akyat. And yes, finally, nakarating na tayo ng safe. Aura-aura muna, i-feel natin yung tuktok ng bundok. Of course, hindi kompleto ang akyat pag walang TikTok si Inday. for watching guys. Shukran.